Hi, my name is Susie Llewellyn, and I'm an elementary education major. I am from Berea. Interesting fact about myself is that I have three beautiful children, two boys and a girl that are all school age. Moving on to our lesson in our survey about beliefs and grammar teaching, is that I would like to highlight question number 5, where it says, should grammar be taught in schools? Why or why not? And I responded that grammar should absolutely be taught in schools because it's often expected in written language such as emails, resumes, and letter of recommendations. Sometimes we have to put on our professionalism and know the standard or proper English and the proper grammar to better be successful. And this should be taught in school because our goal is to have our students grow up to be successful. The second question I would like to highlight, and it kind of correlates with what I just talked about, is question number 2, the version of English used in schools. Standard English is the only proper dialect of English. Other versions of English use bad grammar, they're slang or street talk. I put disagree, and the reason why I disagree, which you might thinking, well, she just said teach grammar in schools, and now she's saying disagree with standard English. No, standard English should be taught in school. However, there's not one right way to do things. The most important thing when teaching grammar and language to students is to help them understand the concept of audience. If you are on Facebook or any other social media, it's completely appropriate to use slang or street talk or just a hey, what's up? But if you are writing to your boss or a future employment office, you need to make sure that you are using that standard English in proper dialect. Somebody that's going to hire you is not going to respect the slang, and it's important that you have a great first impression.